And welcome to your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video presentation of this gorgeous 2 Series coupe we're having. The purpose of this video, as always, is to help you make an informed buying decision. This is the actual car that we're selling, no library images. We'll talk you through some of the features and options, as well as the condition and the aesthetic styling upgrades which we've carried out in house. Apologies if it's a little bit windy. I'm trying to be as clear as possible, so let's have a look around. Sapphire black, A1 condition, I describe it as. 18-inch gloss black M Sport wheels fitted with 4 brand new tyres. 3-piece front splitter in gloss black, matte kidney grills, gloss black sidebars, upgraded mirror caps as you see there in carbon, privacy glass to the rear, 57,000 mile car. Rear diffuser there and rear spoiler. Generous sized boot, split folding rear seats, really nice tidy bodywork, sport seats with blue stitching, electric windows, electric mirrors and sport steering wheel, automatic lights. This is a 6-speed manual with business navigation system. Air conditioning. Let's have a look at the business media. That's just the gone because I don't have my belt on. Again, really tidy condition inside. HP and HP is available on this. A little bit too old for PCP. Part exchange is very welcome. Please inquire through our website by email, text, WhatsApp, or give us a call. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you.